We are bringing you the best summer travel hacks of 2025 that will make your life easier. So let's start with a bang. Number 1, carry a mini carabiner. This one little tool can help you with so many things. You can hang your water bottle to the side of your stroller so it's always within reach. Attach it to your beach bag and clip it to your chair so it doesn't blow away. Number 2, speaking of water bottles, did you know if you take an empty water bottle to a fountain, most places will fill it up for you for free? Just a heads up though, because some places might charge you, so do a quick Google search first. While you're at the fountain, fill up your other bottle with some juice or soda and freeze it. Then by the time you're done, your ice is going to be cold and ready to put straight into your cooler. Number 3, packing cubes are amazing, but an even better hack is packing folders. They're much easier to pack and unpack, especially if you have little ones. Plus, they stand up on their own when you open your suitcase, making it easier to find exactly what you want. Number 4, a fanny pack is a great way to keep your items secure while traveling, but an even better hack is to wear it in the front. That way you can easily access your items without having to worry about someone snatching it from behind. Number 5, if you're headed to the beach, bring along a beach umbrella with a sand anchor. It's going to keep you cool and the anchor keeps it from blowing away. But here's a fun hack. Pair it with a pop-up tent and you've created the ultimate shade station. Not only will you be protected from the sun, but you'll also have a private changing area. Number 6, download a PDF reader. Before you head out, take pictures of all of your important documents like your passport, driver's license, hotel confirmations, and itinerary. Then download a PDF reader. That way you can easily access all of those documents when you need them. Number 7, here's a fun one. Create a custom hashtag for your trip. Not only is this going to make it easy for you to find all of your pictures, but it's also going to make it easier for you to share your memories with friends and family. Number 8, a wet bag is a great way to separate your dirty clothes from your clean clothes. But an even better hack is to use a Ziploc bag. It's cheaper and just as effective. Number 9, if you're flying, put your liquids in a Ziploc bag. This makes it easier to grab what you need when you go through TSA. Number 10, a cooling towel is a great way to stay cool in the heat. But here's a fun hack. Take a regular towel and soak it in cold water. The key is to wring out all of the excess water before you wrap it around your neck. Number 11, a portable charger is a must-have when you're traveling, but an even better hack is to bring a battery bank. Not only can you charge your phone, but you can also charge your camera, smartwatch, and headphones. Number 12, if you're staying in a hotel, bring a small cooler. Not only can you keep your drinks cold, but you can also keep your food cold or warm. And here's an extra bonus hack. If you have a mini fridge in your room, put your cooler inside of it. It's going to keep your things cold and it's also going to save you some space. Number 13, if you're heading to the beach, bring along a wagon. Not only is it going to make it easier for you to haul your things, but it's also going to make it easier for you to get to and from your car. And there you have it, 13 summer travel hacks to make your life a little easier this year. Which one of these hacks are you going to try first? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to follow us for more travel tips and hacks. Safe and happy travels.